Have you ever finished editing a video only to spot a random object in the background that completely steals the viewer's attention? Maybe it's a trash can, a traffic cone, a forgotten water bottle. Or if you're producing the next season of a fantasy epic, a Starbucks cup somehow making its way into a medieval banquet scene. Small distractions like these are surprisingly common. They're easy to miss during filming, but once you notice them, they're often impossible to ignore. The good news is that you don't have to reshoot the entire scene. AI-powered object removal can help you erase distracting elements and clean up your footage while keeping the video looking natural. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from your videos in just a few simple steps. I'm going to use the Video Watermark Remover tool in the latest update of the UniConverter, so if you don't have it yet, either download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com or update your current version. When you have it open, click on the Watermark Remover tool and be sure that up here it's switched to the Video Watermark Remover option. Now, this tool works for regular watermarks and for all sorts of other kinds of objects. In this tutorial, we'll focus on other objects. So here, switch over to the Remove Objects option. The new update has this motion tracked brush tool, which means that if I paint over these objects in this tracking shot, it will track the strokes and remove them in motion. Here, let me give you a preview. As you can see, these objects are now removed, even though the camera is moving past them. So now I'll do the same on all of these video clips here with the different elements to remove. I collected a range of clips so you could see how it works with different kinds of challenges. We'll also do the Game of Thrones clip for fun, so stay tuned for that. So I literally just brush over the objects here in the videos, and then I'll choose the output folder. It's going to be same as source, and then click on Remove and Export. Let's wait until it processes the files. Alright, let's look at the results. Generally, we can say that it works best on smaller objects with simple backgrounds, but most of the time that's exactly what we need. So that's all. AI Object Remover can really help you create cleaner, more professional looking videos without spending hours on complicated edits. So if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.